Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer.
Ain't nobody but
And if this is your first time seeing my face coming across my channel or my video, you guys are welcome. Thank you very much. Summer is just around the corner, but we're in spring and it feels like summer because it's very hot. And I just feel like, you know what, let me come up with a good spring summer makeup or springy summer makeup. Like, I haven't done a makeup look or a makeup tutorial on this channel for quite a long time. I've been doing review video, and I know what, today it's gonna be that day. Guys, if you want to see how I achieve this my two-tone eyeshadow color look with a bit of nude lips, keep on watching. Hey guys, I will be doing spring and summer makeup just like I said earlier on. I don't know what I have in mind, but I will think of something. I have different colors in mind, like pastel colors, bright colors in mind, but I don't know which one to go for. For a good base, good makeup, we are in summer, I guess now, springy summer, because it's really bright, shiny, hot outside. So you want to have a good base so you don't sweat throughout the day, or so your makeup can last. So my skin is already prepped. I'm just gonna moisturize it and give a bit of primer to my skin to bring that glowing skin out, if you know what I mean. So first of all, I'm gonna be using the MAC strobe cream from their strobe collection, and this one is the pink light. I have the gold light, so I'm just gonna use the pink light. And also for my primer, I will be using my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I really love this. It does not make me oily or too dry. I love this. My pink light. And my primer, Smashbox primer. And my foundation I'll be using today is my Fenty Beauty foundation in 410. So just gonna give it a quick shake because it's been a while I put on foundation or wear my makeup. So hopefully I still remember the steps, you know. Take my brush from Morphe, and this is the G series brush, the G36. Ooh. Okay, I thought it's gonna be cold, so it's not. See, this is why I don't really like to wear earring, because it gets stained a lot. Our face is done, so so next is our concealer and our contour. For my under eye concealer, I'm gonna be mixing these two concealer together, Elegant in Fawn and also Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. And for our contour, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Contour Concealer in Rich 75. So I'm going to blend the concealer underneath my eye first before I go ahead with my contour on my cheek. Where did I get this from? So guys, I just went to change to a nicer top that I'm going to be used throughout the video. Our eyebrows and everything set. All we have to do is to come up with a look for this spring summer, and also with our lipstick and our eyeliner, and we're good to go. I feel like doing orange. Like I've done yellow, so I just feel like doing orange. Like I've done pink and a lot of people like the pink, so why not do a neon orange? I'm going to be using a mixture or combination of this Melt Cosmetic Stock palette, the radioactive stock palette, and I'll be using this color right here. I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but I'm betting my money on it. And also with a new matte shadow from Revolution Pro regeneration palette. I'll be mixing. You can see this lovely color right here. So let's see how this look turns out. You know, I don't want something too hard, I just want something simple. To prime my eyelid, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Eastern Full Coverage Concealer. The reason I'm using this because I don't like it. And I will blend this out with my blending brush. I'm going to put a bit of powder just underneath my eye. This is the catch, the fallout from this color I'm about to pack on my face. For my brow highlight, I'm going to be using this color here, Attached. So next I'm going to blend that shade and Attached out because it's a really white eyeshadow pigment. So next I'll be applying Daydream and Halftime as my crease color. So next I'm going to be using this neon orange called Round On all over my eyelid. So I'm just gonna apply this yellow neon called Neon on my crease just to blend everything in, because right now I am not liking the direction of this eye look. Okay, so I'm using this yellow to diffuse the orange to blend in, and it's not looking nice at all. So with this color, I just have to pack it on because it's not staying put. I think this look is gonna be good on a liner. So guys, I finished with this side of my eyes. I just went ahead to put a bit of liner look, a mascara, my eyelash, and a bit of trophy wipe from Fenty. So I just want to complete this rest look. So I'm taking Inglot 77 purely black liner. So just gonna use the Shayla S Maybelline mascara, the big color so short. So I'm gonna be applying these lashes from Primark. This is the £5 lashes. So I'm gonna add a bit of trophy white just to my inner corner of my eye. Wow. I feel like I need to set this face. I just felt like I need to set it. That smells nice. That's lavender. For my highlight today, I'm gonna be using this Gilded Owning from Laura Geller, and okay, maybe I'll mix it with a bit of trophy wipe. Ooh. Can you see that? I'm gonna be using this Of Color matte liquid lipstick, and this is in Cork. It's a very nude. Okay. Ooh, she fine, she thick. So guys, I am gonna spray my face one more time. I am gonna complete my hair look, and I'll be back for the review of the video, or not review, for the breakdown, for the chit chat talk of this video. sit back and relax. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, this video to the end. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the tutorial, you learned something, you like this I learned, because I do. Please don't forget to recreate this look, or if you like it, you know, and tag me on Instagram at @ImJennifer, and I will be checking you out. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts of this look. You know, what do you think? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn up that notification bell icon, slap a like on this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. And until then guys, I am gonna be seeing you on my next video. So take care of yourself, be nice to it, and peace.